Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So let's start with the quickest version. Just slide down the upper bar, find and select Do Not Disturb mode icon and click on it. And that's it. From now on, DND mode is on. If you would like to switch it off, simply click on it one more time and now it's off. You can also access it through the settings, so let's open the list of all applications at first, then find and select the settings. Here you have to locate and pick sounds and vibration, and scroll down a bit. Here we've got DND mode, so it will mute all calls and alerts except from your custom exceptions, so click here to do it, and that's all. Here's DND, so if you will click on the DND icon, you can add some exceptions over here, so allow exceptions, and you can pick alarms only, no exceptions or custom, and here you can allow calls from anyone, from contacts only or from favorite contacts only, or messages with the same possibilities. You can also allow repeat callers, so anytime the same caller will try to reach you for the second time within 15 minutes period, then it will allow this call. And also you can allow events and task alerts or reminders, so it's up to you. You can personalize it and adjust to your needs, but for now on I will pick alarms only. And that's basically all. This is how you can use Do Not Disturb mode on your device in your Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. Protect your focus, enjoy. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.